paid you 5,000 in this place.
Jojo.
And I will teach you how to cook authentic Korean. Annyeong! Annyeong!
Tayo. Anyang tubig, anyang lupa. Ano naman yan mga ingredients, so.
Oh. First, this is the sauce. Okay.
What do you call that?
This is the sauce for the Korean beef stew. So it has gochujang. This one is Korean hot pepper paste. And this one is mirin.
Mirin.
This is a cooking one. And we have sesame oil.
Naku, ni-reveal nyo na yung secret recipe nyo.
Ay, bakit? Itago eh.
Introduce your assistant. Please introduce your assistant.
Please introduce our assistant.
My assistant is fresh from Burundi. Congo.
Hong Kong.
Botswana.
Imported. And his wife?
And the wife, look at her.
Imported also.
The operation. She is my mom, Nene.
Ma'am Nene.
Yeah.
And the dishwasher is imported from France.
And the dishwasher?
Ay na lang. Ang aga yung pangalan dito.
Ganyan. Kailangan nyo mag-distorbo.
And the secret.
The secret reveal.
Magic syrup.
Magic syrup.
Magic!
So you can find it in the Philippines because it's magic.
You put it like this.
Walang yakay, lalabas.
Ang galing mag-Pilipino nung ano.
Nag-Filipino pala yung Koreana.
Because my husband.
Target locked.
Ayan na.
Oh, your husband?
My husband is a Filipino.
Ah, okay. Your husband is a Filipino.
How about you?
They're using your cooking oil. Golden Fiesta. Golden Fiesta, baka naman.
Galing yan.